Welcome back. I'm trying to make the repair section. If you've seen the previous films, you'd have seen all this sill cut out, and I have made a repair section in steel, but it's too big. Actually, I just need to move. I'm just using little G clamps which I made years ago. This is cardboard. It's just like a cornflakes packet type of thing, and I'm just trying to get it positioned just correctly over the hole, and then I will be able to use the cardboard as a template to make an absolutely perfect fit for the steel. So if I trace it into the cardboard, I'll take the cardboard off, then trace the cardboard template onto the steel and cut that out. See, the better the fit, the more perfect the fit, the better the weld will be. And there we go. Let's have a look. I've just put this on with masking tape and using these little clamps, the little G clamps, to secure. I thought that I was going to lose this part of the sill. So let's just. There we go. I'm just using an old oxyacetylene nozzle. It's all covered in soot on the ends, so it will. There we go. Where's the edge? It'll act as like a good marker. So I don't know if this is coming out on camera or not, because I'm lying on my back in the pavement as usual. I can't see what the camera can see, but hopefully, there we go, good metal here, so I can press against that. Yep, there we go, that's okay. Because it's quite awkward, it's not a completely straight line. It could be better, but I've cut it out in the street. But anyway, excuse me huffing here, because it's quite awkward landing you back in the street, but I am getting a mark, a good clean mark. If I'm just patient, I will be able to trace this mark out and cut it out, obviously, and trace it onto the steel. Now I need to remove that one. Just hold that in place. There we go. I've no idea if the camera's picking this up at all. I really can't stop at this stage to see if the camera's, it's definitely recording, but whether it's picking up the correct angle, I can't be absolutely sure. There we go. Let's just hope that the camera's picking this up. That's one. Right, let's take this finder one out this side. Oop. Where's the edge of the steel? There we go. There we go, that's it. That's okay. I think that's it. Let's have a look. Let me have a look in the camera now. Yeah, I think the camera, let me just zoom in a touch. I think the camera can see. Yeah, we've got a decent line. It's not completely straight. So if I were to cut a straight line and try and fit the panel in, I'd have a complete nightmare. You're trying to weld it up, because it just simply won't fit. But by patiently working away like this on paper templates, there's the paper template. There we go. Let's whip that off. There we go. You can see the gaping hole. And here's my paper template. So I'm just going to spend a few minutes cutting this out, dips and wrinkles and all. I'll copy it entirely. There's a slight dip there. I'll make sure that any dips or wrinkles are in the undulations are in the repair panel. I'll put I don't need the fold, because I've actually got the original flange here. So I'll be trimming the template along here. I do have a repair section which I'd already made, and it's got some degree of curving in it. I'm going to see if I'm going to use that one or whether I'm going to fabricate a new one, but I've got the basic shape, so I'm just going to take my scissors and cut this out, trace it onto a piece of steel.